In this case, you will see a fight between the girlfriend and the wife.
That's my husband's ID. The owner to this shop. You know, see, my last name matches his.
Yeah, the one.
See that? Barrington Sanchez. Yeah, like I said, I'm the wife.
Yeah, from today? No, she just popped up today. His mom called and said she's just left here with the police, you know, driving crazy.
Well, what did she threaten you to? What did she threaten to do after she got here today?
I mean, she told me she was gonna beat my ass on video. You saw her just walk up to me and do all this. You want to get your ass beat your hoe? Like, she was gonna hit you? Yes, the footage clearly shows she walked up on me.
When the police arrived and started questioning the girlfriend, the wife was dancing.
Don't put his dick in your mouth. Get his dick out your mouth and open up your motherfucking ears. You'll be able to comprehend some shit.
Yeah, the police are here about that. When Terry put that fraudulent chiropractic office here, that she had no permission to put at your property. Right. So the police are here. Would you be like, do y'all need to talk to him about her putting that here? She has no right to be here. Selling drugs.
Does she?
Selling drugs. She was the co-defendant. She's the co-defendant.
My charges got dropped because what?
No, because you lied.
Because
And you testified against him.
My charges got dropped.
Ma'am, stop.
What happens when an angry wife shows up at her ex-husband's business demanding her property back? She insists she has a court order, refuses to leave, threatens the people inside, and believes the police are on her side. But just minutes later, everything takes a shocking turn that nobody saw coming.
911, where's your location of your emergency?
Easy Will Repair, 1001 Merchants Drive.
Yes, ma'am.
Dallas, Georgia. I just called, and now she has one of our employees locked inside the building and not letting them out.
She has an employee locked in the building. Do you know her name?
Yes. She just pulled up.
What's her name?
My name is Crystal Terry. Yes.
And she has an employee locked in the building?
Yeah, she just came out of the police officer, just pulled up.
Okay. And you do have a police officer on scene?
Yeah.
You said me on that call on Merchants Drive.
10-4, I have a caller on the line. Be advised that the subject that is trespassing has an employee locked in the building and won't let her out.
I called you.
All right, sweetie, I'm going to let you go to talk with an officer, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Dallas 911. Yes, there's somebody here that is not supposed to be here trespassing.
All right, where is here?
Dallas, Georgia.
Okay, who is this person?
Terry.
Do you have trespass against him?
Yes, it's a woman.
Okay, what was her name?
Terry.
You said Cherry as in Cherry?
Perri.
Okay, and where is she at right now?
At the property trying to break in.
Is she on foot or in a vehicle?
She's in a vehicle.
What kind of vehicle?
She's walking around the building. Nissan Pathfinder.
What color?
Red.
Okay, can you tell if she's got any kind of weapons or anything?
She's what?
Does she have any weapons or anything?
She does have a gun. I don't know if she has it with her today.
Okay, so you don't know that she has a weapon today?
Correct.
Okay.
Giving him a call so that he can explain the situation to you. So then, when I got here, they told me to call. I was parked over there. When I called, she said, no, you have to actually go to the place and call when you get there. I said, so y'all just want something to happen before.
Yeah, so.
You know, right. So I pulled up here and I called the police. That's all I did.
All right, so.
And I'm just waiting for my stuff.
All right, so this is what you're gonna have to do. So you got a court order. You have to go to the Paulding County Sheriff's Office.
I did. They told me to come here since I have a court order.
Right. So because you probably told they probably didn't understand what you're saying. You need to get the civil division. Y'all need to schedule appointments so you can come in and retrieve.
Status check.
Go for it. So you can go in and retrieve the items.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm saying you have a.
Now they're saying it's not here.
Okay. So I can't make them produce those items. I can't go in and be like, I'm going through all your shit. Give it to me. You see what I'm saying? Even if you had.
I'm gonna just sit here and wait for them to call me.
Okay. Yeah, I understand he may want to tell me what's going on, but just based on what you're telling me, like I said, I can't make them produce those items. So
that's fine.
I mean,
well, I'm not leaving here until I get them. We gonna have a slumber party in this motherfucker.
Hey, so what's going on?
I want to press charges for trespassing. We've already reported her to the police. She's not supposed to be on this property. We've asked her to leave numerous times. She walked over. We asked her to leave. She proceeds to walk inside the building, just opening in, walking in without any type of authority or permission. You see the energy she had when she walked over here. Like,
So when did y'all do a report on her?
on the 14th, July 14th.
All right. Did they criminal trespass her from the property?
Yes. So she's not supposed to be here anymore. She knows this.
Okay. Do you have a copy of the criminal trespass?
I don't have it with me right now. But you should be able to pull it up and have it recorded. So the video, the last time we called multiple times when she's here, we asked her to leave the property. She refuses. She just comes and taunts people. But we have ordered she fraudulently put a chiropractic office here. So I called the landlord to come over here on that too because she doesn't have a business here. She's clearly not a chiropractic office. Yeah, I want to press charges.
Okay. So what is she saying? Something about explain that to me about the business thing.
What about the status check? She put a fraudulent chiropractic office. Clearly not a chiropractic office. She fraudulently, she just filed it, updated her address, and said this was it. The landlord did not give her permission to do that, has no authorization. I've been trying to call him, but he's not answering. But this is clearly not a chiropractic office.
All right, you have your driver's license on you?
10-4.
Why was wrong?
They say you were criminal trespass on this property.
No, I'm not. What prep work at?
Is this
What prep work?
driver's license?
That's a state ID. It has my full legal name and birthday. Issued by the state of Florida.
You have an ID or driver's license?
She lying. What a paperwork, huh?
You have a driver's license or
I got a
anything?
driver's license.
Or ID?
It's no trespassing against me, baby.
What about the one that's from Georgia right there?
That's my husband's ID. The owner to this shop. You know, see, my last name matches his.
Yeah, the one.
See that? Barrington Sanchez. Yeah, like I said, I'm the wife. Huh?
What happened?
So, I don't send us over here, yes.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you got it.
No. So yeah, cause
all that happens is
they got some. She said she got some civil papers saying that she's allowed to be here, and I told her.
She a fraudulent one that she fraudulently put here. This is clearly not a chiropractic
stop
office.
talking,
The
please.
landlord.
We're talking to her right now. We'll talk to you in a minute.
Thank you.
But she's saying she got papers to be here. I don't know about that. But she's saying that she's supposed to be able to retrieve 2 tablets or some shit. But this is my captain real quick. Hey, ma'am, do you have the paperwork, or you want to show him the paperwork that you got?
Court order?
Yeah.
Hi. I wanted to know if I can have an officer out here to 1,000.
Who's the reason you sitting in this shit?
January 2020.
It has to be on paper and ready.
Okay. This is me with my husband with the custody stuff.
With her signature.
Right? Page 2. The tablets. In the possession of the children. So basically, with his dick in your mouth. You get your dick out your mouth and open up your motherfucking ears, you'll be able to comprehend some shit. You fucking come down.
0 to Terry, Kristen, Barrington Sanchez. Could you advise if she's been...
We're just trying to confirm if she's CT'd. If so, then we don't.
Hey, Gio.
Go ahead and take it.
So, yeah. We have the police up here. Terry's about that. Remember when we talked about Terry putting that fraudulent business at your location? This is the owner, the actual owner. I thought you said you was the owner. I'm leasing here. We have the business. We're leasing at this. I don't own this property. Hello. Yes, the police are here about that. When Terry put that fraudulent chiropractic office here, that she had no permission to put at your property. Right. So the police are here. Would you be like, do y'all need to talk to him about her putting that here? She has no right to be here. Selling drugs.
Did she?
She was the co-defendant. She's the co-defendant. My charges got dropped because what? No, because you lied and you testified against him.
Ma'am, stop.
Right.
So you guys can stay civil. She said, well, it's not going to be civil. I said, why not? She said, something about, I'm going to beat a bitch's ass. So she went there, like, already, like, looking for a fight, basically.
We're still trying to determine that she criminal trespass or not.
She's trying to show me some videos. So I just walked off. This was the owner that called you saying this, or was it the other lady? Terry?
No, it was the lady that showed up there.
Oh, okay.
She never even told me her name. She just kind of, she looked at her, she just kind of went off the rip and started going crazy.
Yeah.
So, and I have, if you need it for whatever reason, I have the recording at my desk, and I'll send it to you. I just didn't know if she was criminal trespass or what. But
Yeah,
she went there looking for problems. For sure.
That's what it sounds like. The owner here is claiming there might be some threats or whatever as well, so we're gonna look into that. She didn't make any direct threats, so I don't know. She was like dancing around it, kind of, pretty much.
So I was like, so you just want us to hang out so things stay civil? She's like, it's not going to be civil. Basically, like, they're not going to give me what I need or whatever, and I'm going to beat a bitch's ass. And I even said, well, I suggest you not do that.
Yeah. What is she wanting? What's owed to her?
She's wanting some tablets. She's just starting stuff just because she ain't got nothing to do.
Why would the tablets?
But once we determine she's criminal trespass, I'm just
that'll be easy citing. I'll take that. That'll be easy citing.
What?
Citing arrest. So she's saying that the last time she was here, she called us out to CT her.
Yeah.
But by the time we got here, she was gone, so she never signed. Apparently, but however, she's been told on recording, on the record, not to come back here, to stay away from here, not to leave, not to get in my face anymore, leave me alone.
She ain't got no proof of that. She got a business register here.
Right. It's clearly not a chiropractic office.
It's clearly not a chiropractor's office.
I mean,
so
psychotic news, like I said, and it's like something that needs to be. She's literally while she was in jail last summer, she got more charges for assaulting guards there. She's psychotic. She has mental illness.
If she does have a business register here, we can't sign it. You need to go down to the courthouse.
Yeah, we already did. That's what I'm saying. We're pressing charges. The owner, so I'm releasing it. The owner of this actual property has to get permission for somebody to register a business here. So she fraudulently used his address. So we're pressing charges on that end for that as well. But it's a whole process. Same thing with the warrant. I guess it's like they're backed up in the county like 6 to 8 weeks. All this other kind of stuff. I just want things to be like, the girl has a problem. She has a long criminal history where she, like I said, is violent. She's psychotic. She has terroristic threats from her child's elementary school. Going up there, like, that's what I'm saying. Let me show.
Did you hear?
It's a lot.
I'm liable just to.
At this point, officers are no longer sorting out just a property dispute. They're now evaluating repeated threat allegations and whether this has crossed into criminal conduct.
Disorderly?
At least, just based on what Lauren said. You think that's enough? I mean, it's your call at the end of the day. So apparently she called one of our detectives earlier before she even came out here. Did you hear that whole conversation? And she was like, "I need you to come prevent a murder." Yeah. You think that's like borderline? Would you? That's depending on who you're talking to.
I mean, she was out here yelling and cussing too. So, I mean, it's a business, and she's out here yelling and cussing. So that's disorderly.
It's a problem. I'm telling y'all, it's a problem.
Yeah.
She's threatening to go to my children's school, and like I said, she already has terrorism.
What exactly has she threatened to do to you over the course of?
Go to my children. She's threatened send text. I know what your kids go to, and like I said, she already has terroristic threats from her child's school. She's dropped her children off at fire stations, and like
what of that can you corroborate to us? All her threats. What of that?
Videos, recordings of her,
text messages.
Yes.
Today.
Yeah, from today. No, she just popped up today. His mom called and said she's just left here with the police. Driving crazy.
Well, what did she threaten you to? What did she threaten to do after she got here today?
I mean, she told me she was gonna beat my ass on video. You saw her just walk up to me and do all this. You want to get your ass scare hoe? Like she just did that right in front of you. Like I mean, that just happened.
Yeah.
I mean,
for the
code section, her just want to go to jail to get her to back up off of me.
Did you think she was gonna hit you?
Yes, the footage clearly shows she walked up on me. Like that's intimidating. That's threatening.
You got that?
Yes, and he saw it. He got it on there too. He had to tell her to back up. Does she want to go to jail today? But you saw it. Like it's not okay.
That's at least. You could do simple,
I would like
but
to.
if we want to avoid all that, we could even do. We could. I'm gonna look up the code section for disorderly right quick. But we still waiting on dispatch to confirm. Any person who, by acts of violence, interferes with another person's pursuit of lawful occupation. Any person who, by acts of violence, interferes with someone's lawful occupation. Any person acting in violent, turbulent, boisterous, indecent, disorderly manner, profane, vulgar, obscene language, public place, disturbing good order, peace, tranquility. Yeah, that's all day. I mean, I would say I wasn't here for all of it. I didn't have my body cam on late either, but I can articulate it. I forgot my body cam in my car when I did roll up. Can you just start me over from the beginning, how this all started and where we are now, okay?
Okay.
Just for my report, okay?
Okay. So,
sorry.
That's fine. So what? So is that saying like because like you won't be able to say what happened when you were here?
No, I'm on.
Okay.
Can you do a supplement? Yeah.
Victim, so you can get more so of a clarification.
Okay.
Yeah. Just what happened from the beginning. Like, who is she? Why is she here? How y'all know each other? All of that from the beginning today.
It's a long story. Do you want to go inside? Like it's a lot. Like that's I don't even know how to
So
start.
just what happened today?
Okay, just what happened today. She pulled up. She sped in here in the parking lot. She parked. She got out. She proceeded to bang on the door, trying to get into the building. She went through the back. She walked around. I have it all videotaped. She went through the back. She finally found a door that was open. She then proceeded to go in. I told our employee to go over there. Well, sorry, I'm FaceTiming my son. She went in that side of the building. I was on the phone with the police the whole time. As soon as I saw a car pull up, I called the police because, like I said, she's psychotic. And I'm just trying to run a business, trying to like make money. Like that's it. So I called the police as soon as she pulls up. We've already called multiple times on her being here, not coming. We have videos asking her to leave. She knows she's not supposed to be here. She then proceeds to come go through the door. The employee goes over. I send my other employee to go tell them, check on him. She locked him in the building. So now y'all pulled up. We come outside. I then proceed to walk over to Mr. White to tell him what's happening. She walks over to him first. She then walks up on me, standing, scary asshole, this. And then spoke to you.
Here we are. Okay. What all did she threaten during that time?
To beat my
What did she say exactly?
I beat your ass, scary asshole.
Okay. Was he here when she said that, or was that before we got here?
I think he was pulling in the driveway because that's when I walked out the building.
I beat your
Right.
Okay. What else did she threaten besides that today?
That was it.
Okay. Who heard her say that?
Both my employees. And I don't know what all you heard her say when she was standing in front of me with all that demeanor, but I gotta replay the tape, like I said, to see. Let me replay it.
I'm gonna give you an email address to send all that to. Will you be able to do that?
Yes.
Thank you. And I also want to get you. Are you willing to write a statement as to what happened today to corroborate everything?
Video 460.
Okay. Finally, they're back. Good.
We do not have an active trespassing on the subject.
Yeah, we're up there. We'll go ahead and get that taken care of. We'll make sure that before we hook her up, I'm gonna make sure she signs a trespass warning. That way, future reference, we ain't gotta. She comes on this property, she gets hooked up.
So today,
but what is her affiliation to your business?
Her husband. Okay, so her husband owned this business that she's going through a divorce with.
Okay.
He previously owned this.
Okay.
And so when he went
Easy Will.
Yes.
Okay.
Eduardo Easy is his business. So, but during the divorce, before they already had everything separated, he dissolved it. It's now it's my name. So this isn't even in his name anymore. This is now my name. Everything is like he has no association to anything.
You got the paperwork to show that?
Yes, but not with me right now because I don't. I was.
I'm gonna give you my email address. Will you be able to email that to me?
I also have power of attorney over.
What'd you say?
I also have power of attorney over him to make any decisions as well.
Okay.
So today, all that's happening is that.
All right. I'm gonna run the story back to just make sure I got it right. How long ago was this when she got to your door knocking on it? Right now it's 1. Right now it's almost 12:55. So about what time she get here?
Your case number is 2023-08-0135. That's 2023.
Just approximately. I don't gotta be exact.
I can tell you. I feel like
About an hour ago.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll say around noon. Okay.
At the same time the phone call came.
Okay, so she got here. All right, so she got here around noon. She banging on the door. Banging on the door. Is the door locked?
Yes.
Okay, how'd she get in?
That chick went back. That door was open.
That door was unlocked without permission. Is that a public access door?
No. It's not
Okay, so no one's supposed to be going in there. She came in the She came in the room. She yelling. She cussing. She's saying.
Right. I don't know what else she was saying to me.
Okay. And then after that, what happened again?
Then when I came down after I saw the police officer.
Okay, so we got here. Watched. Oh, you said she locked somebody in?
She was inside with Billy and down that side, but he's not complaining about that side. I don't know if they were just in there.
Okay.
You know what they had going on in there.
So she just in there ranting,
right,
causing a whole
just
fuss.
Trying to talk. You know how she obviously likes to talk.
At that point, you called us because you didn't.
I called as soon as I seen her pull up.
Okay, got you.
So I called immediately as soon as I seen her push her speed in here.
Okay. All right. So what happened? She coming in there. She calls.
Update police report that's already been completed.
She's already.
Service code 13. You can send me to the next 1050.
She's already. So she's in there, yelling, causing a fuss. And then what happened again? What's up? And then we pulled up.
And then she walked up on me in front of me.
She walked up on you. But before we pulled up, she said, "I'll be your ass, scary asshole."
Right.
Okay. And then what you? Okay. We pulled up, and she got in your face. She yelling at you. She cussing you. What'd she say when she was yelling at you again?
I got to play it back because I was trying to pay attention to the officer. I was waiting for the officer to address it.
So she closed the distance as you. She hand in your face, yelling at you.
Yeah.
Was you fearful for your safety at the time? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I was obviously fearful from the time she pulled up because I know she's a psychotic person with a mental illness and a violent history. That's why I called the police as soon as she pulled up, which is why I kept been trying to get it to her.
This is the turning point. The officer is locking in the timeline, the witnesses, and the fear-based allegations before making an arrest.
Her? Yeah, she always.
What did she threaten to do?
I want to ask.
What did she say specifically?
That fat ass sloppy bitch, all she want to do is lock me out and say, I'll be there.
She said I beat her ass? Okay.
But, I mean,
I just try to get it.
Y'all know me.
Okay.
Y'all know me. This is not the first time.
Okay.
Right. And I'm tired, bro. I'm getting tired. I can't work.
Would you be willing to write a statement as well as what happened?
I always do.
I appreciate it. I gave you 2 copies. Alright. So, if you don't mind, just fill out all this demographic information up here and then write out what happened today if you don't mind. I'll come back and pick this up later today. You ain't gotta do it right now this moment, okay? Appreciate it. Hey, you wanna get her to sign it and then
You want to try that at jail?
Sure.
Oh, sorry about that.
Hey, we going 95. How you doing? Do me a favor, step out of the car. We gotta ask you some more questions. Step out for me, please.
3964. 3964. Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm looking for the video of her.
We'll let her do it. Maggie.
She's sitting on the sofa, on the black sofa on the phone talking to someone.
Face away. Face the head of the car. Step out, face away. Hands behind your back.
What's this for?
Relax.
Okay, what is this for?
You'll be under arrest.
For what?
Disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct.
Possibly terroristic threats. Possibly simple assault. Okay.
I didn't put my hands on you.
Alright. Appreciate it.
Come on.
23 is just one down again.
I can put her on my custody. I'm taking her. Or I can just
Sure.
bring it back to you.
I mean, you can bring it back to
I'll
me.
bring it back
That's
to you.
fine.
Hey, let's go.
Let me just lock this one too.
Radio 130, adjustments one is actually
Hold on.
Yeah, they gonna do it.
Don't twist his head. Don't try not to twist him.
10-4, I can't get logged in. Can you provide me with my case number?
Radio 130, your case number is 2023-08-0138. That's 2023-08-0138.
Alright, we're gonna go to that black car in the driveway straight ahead, okay?
Radio 460, can you repeat your last traffic?
She said that she. And what was the charge again?
Disorderly conduct, appreciate it.
Good or you?
Disorderly conduct for. I'm not explaining.
For what? What is your question?
Disorderly conduct for what? What was disorderly conduct?
Appreciate it. Disorderly conduct, possibly terrorist threats, possibly simple assault.
Possible?
Yep.
What's the possible?
That's
Look at that.
potentially going to be what you're charged with. Appreciate y'all.
I'm saying, but how? What was said?
Well,
According to
so look, this is what's going on. All right. So he's opting right now to do this. Corporal Flowers. He's opting right now to do a city charge of disorderly conduct, but we have 2 other charges on you, which are state charges. All right. So we got right on thing. Let me explain to you. Right on thing. She said she felt threatened by you. That's simple assault. You jumped in her face, and you did. I saw you. You jumped in her face, and then you threatened to beat her butt. And then you got other witnesses said that you threatened to fight her as well.
When?
So that's terroristic threats. When you went earlier, I
haven't recorded.
I understand you might have recorded, but
Did
we
you
also.
talk to my witness?
I can talk to your witness, but you also have her filling out a statement form as witness, and then you got the co-workers here that's filling out statement forms as witnesses. Okay, so he's working to deal with you. He can either go with the city charge, or he can go with the 2 state charges. Okay, or he can just go with all 3 as state charges, disorderly conduct, all of them. It's up to you. Okay, you've been working with us. You've been somewhat okay.
No, I'm cool.
I mean,
my baby stuff I showed y'all the court orders.
I understand, but
You
this
talk
is
to
the
the
thing.
officer.
But this is the thing. This is the thing. When I told you they couldn't produce it, you should have just left. You should have just left. We can't make somebody produce any objects.
Right, and that's what I was telling you. I was letting you talk to the officers.
That what they got, it don't matter. On scene, what I got is we can't find anything. I can't make it. Whatever them officers tell me won't make a difference. You see what I'm saying? Because we can't make them produce the objects. We don't know if it's here or not. Okay. You see what I'm saying?
Right. That's what I was telling you to talk to the other officer. I didn't say that you can make them do anything. I just
what benefit would it have had for me?
Eye contact.
I know, and they told you to come out here, which they shouldn't have. You should have waited. I understand.
who's angry? Nobody's angry.
Like, I'm asking questions because I'm not understanding why I'm going to jail.
You're going to jail for disorderly conduct. Do you want me to read you the code section? You're going to jail for disorderly conduct. So you want the windows down, but you want me to answer your question and talk to you as well. You probably can't hear me because the windows are rolled down. The AC is up on full blast. So which one do you want? You want the AC or you want me to answer your questions? Okay, so I'm not gonna argue with you. It's not an argument. What's been done is done. If you want to contest it, if you want to argue it, that's your right, but it's your right to do in court, not here. Okay. So I'll explain it to you as best as I can. All right. But it's not going to be an argument. All right. Because what's done is done, and we're going to go from there. And you're going to have your day in court to contest it, whatever way you see fit. Okay.
At minimum, this encounter ends with a disorderly conduct arrest, while officers also discuss possible assault and threat-related charges. What started as a property dispute over personal items became a criminal case because the subject refused to disengage and kept escalating the contact. Comply first, document everything, and challenge it in court later. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more Bodycam breakdowns.